Cooper and I are gonna show you a simple recipe on how to cook your catch on an open fire.
We'll show you how to prep the fish, season it, and cook it. For any outsider, there's nothing more satisfying than cooking your own catch.
It's called cook and catch, hook and cook, gill to grill, boat to bowl.
Boat to bowl?
I kind of made that last one up.
Yeah.
But whatever you call it, it is guaranteed to take your camping trip to the next level.
And here's what you'll need. A fish basket, butter, lemons, all kinds of seasoning. You can use whatever kinds you want. And of course, the fish. This is a super simple recipe. We really want to taste the fish.
To prep the fish, you will need to scale it, remove all the guts, of course, wash it with cold, fresh water, then dry it off with a paper towel. Next, you cut several scores into the side of each fish. Now, other side.
Yeah.
This allows the seasoning to get into the meat and helps the fish cook evenly. And it looks pretty cool, too.
And done with the scoring. Now it's time to season it. We gotta get all inside the grooves with the salt and the pepper, but we also want to get a little bit of salt inside. Make sure that's all seasoned up.
Alrighty, I think we're done with the seasoning.
Awesome.
Now, let's take some butter.
Now we're gonna spread the butter all over the fish so that it tastes better. Butter is for flavoring, but it also prevents our fish from sticking to the basket. Okay, I think we're about done.
Now we just have to put the lemon. So we're gonna take some and we're gonna spritz it on the top there. Just like that.
And after we're done squirting the lemon juice on the outside, we can put the lemon on the inside for flavoring.
This is gonna be so good.
It's one thing to catch it, but it's another thing to catch it and cook it and eat it that same day. Now that the fish are all done, we're ready to put them in the basket. Open that up.
Now, you wanna make sure that the fish are in there nice and tight so they don't move around. I think we're ready.
Yeah, they're ready for the fire. Let's go.
Each side should take about 3 minutes, so make sure you don't wander off. You're gonna wanna stay with it to make sure it doesn't overcook. You can lay the basket right on the grill. Make sure the coals aren't too hot. If they are, they could burn the outside and it doesn't cook the fish.
Oh, these coals are perfect.
Yeah.
What? That's so cool. Oh, you can see it sizzling.
Yeah, you can hear it too.
I know. This is gonna be so good.
I'm so excited. This is mouth-watering. Look at the lemon. Oh yeah, it's getting close.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, it's getting a little bit golden brown right there.
Yeah. I think we got about 1 more minute on there.
Yeah.
Then we can flip it. All right. And there we go.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right.
Hey, let's check them.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, yeah. I think they're done. Look at them.
They look so good.
Yeah, you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Ooh, I can't wait to dig in.
I know, I'm so ready.
All right.
Open it up. Yes. Here, I'll take this one.
Good.
Oh, yeah. You want this one?
Yes.
Okay.
I think that's the one I caught.
I don't know. We'll see how it tastes.
I'm so hungry.
Well, let's dig in.
Yeah.
Mmm.
That's so good.
Delicious. I think I caught this one.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Then I probably caught it.
No. It's a simple recipe, but it's so good. It's a catch and cook, something you'll never forget.
You can say that again.
Yeah.